In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail username. By the end, you'll know how to update the name people see when you email them and how to change your full Google account name if you want it reflected across all Google services. This won't change your actual email address, just the name that appears alongside it. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. In the top right, click the gear-shaped settings icon to open the quick settings panel. From there, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page, which gives you access to every Gmail option. Along the top, select the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail handles identity and sending options. Look for the section labeled Send Mail As. You'll see your email address listed with the current display name. To update that display name, click Edit Info to the right of the address you use. A small window will pop up. Select the empty text box under your address and type the new name you want others to see when they receive your messages. Keep it professional and clear, especially if you use this account for work or school. When you're happy with it, click Save Changes. From now on, new emails you send will show this updated name. Note that past emails won't be retroactively changed, and some recipients may briefly see cached information until their mail apps update. If you want to change your full Google account name, which affects how your name appears across Google services like Drive, Calendar, and Meet, do that next. Click your profile icon in the top right of Gmail to open your account menu, then select Manage Your Google Account. In the Google Account page, look at the left-hand menu and choose Personal Info. Under Basic Info, find Name and click it. Then select the Edit icon next to your current name. Update your first and last name to what you want shown across Google and click Save. This can take a little time to propagate everywhere, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly in every app. Also, if you're using a work or school account, your organization may manage your name and limit changes. That's it. You've updated your Gmail display name for outgoing emails and, if needed, your full Google account name. Remember, neither change alters your email address. If something doesn't look right, revisit the same screens to adjust it and send a test email to a personal inbox to confirm how your name appears to recipients.